Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing. This is my August tea subscription. You do get a nice little product card on the inside. Tells you all about your teas, the steeping time, caffeine level, all of that. And please keep in mind, if you also get this box, your teas will be different because you take a profile and they try to send you the type of stuff that you like. So, let's see. First, we always get these really cool reusable muslin cloth tea bags for all of our loose leaf tea. We can fill them in here. I love that they send that. I don't like those little metal or mesh strainers because particles of the tea still get in there, and I don't know, that just bothers me. So I do love these little bags. The first tea, we have Tea for 3 Lemon Wedge. There was a really good one I got sent last month. I think it was lemon lime twist, maybe? And that was really good, so I'm excited for this one. Very cool. So that is black tea with lemon. Yum. We also have, normally when you get them in packets like this, you'll typically get 4. So this one is from Harney & Sons. It says it's classic, unique, and uncommon. Mellow and Lights. And these are just single packets. This is also black tea. I like all teas, so I will definitely drink that. I used to drink so much tea in high school that whenever I would try to donate blood, my iron level was too low. So, fun fact about me, that's how much I love tea. This one is Arbor Teas. Organic to a tea. That's cute. Ooh, I can smell this one. Crimson Berry Fruit Tisane? I don't know how to say that. Organic Herbal Tea Blend. I can feel it's pretty full bag. This has hibiscus, currants, rose hips, elderberries, cranberries. Cool. Summer fruit flavors. I could definitely smell the fruity flavor, so this is probably going to be my favorite. And the last one, Dryad Tea, Spring Queen's Spice Tea. Ooh, spice tea. 3 spices layered over a base of 2 green teas, spicy and soothing all at once. Delicious. Another great box this month. If you guys would like to sign up, I do have a promo code. I will definitely put all that information below. If you want to see past boxes, I'll link my playlist as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.